Slummy's all done, just a few points for the sewer and we're done, mate. Power's in, water's in, the tap's in, just got to connect the hose of the tap here somewhere. It's like 15 points here for a little house in Sunbury. Marking out the sewer points now, all the stormwater's in. Back till most of it. And water's in. How you going, buddy? Good, mate. The power's dug in. Waiting for the sparky and should be good to go, eh? Isn't it? Ripping out the driveway. Sewer's done within the Stormies now. With Bravi Plumbing. There's Simon there, his sidekick. Got two more there. Stormies in the garage, and we're done, mate. That's Unit 3, boys. Unit 3 is going up.
Nice, mate.
Yes, Simon. And I'm digging Unit 4. dig Unit 4, and we've got one more over there, mate. Unit 5. And tomorrow, we're going to do Stormies, eh, Simon? Our day starts with a bit of a bang. Good morning. That's the main run there. You've got a couple of branches. Got 2 units there, and I've got 3 more units. I'm digging just heaps of rock. Chuck all rocks there for tomorrow, load them up tomorrow. Concrete's got his machine early. Boys are taking the measurements of the points. It's Unit 3. They'll mark out Unit 4 for me to dig, and got one more after that, Unit 5, 5 units here. And then hopefully stormwater tomorrow, inshallah.
6,600.
Plumbing today. Private plumbing. We've dug the main out. And we've got stormwater right next to it. Power's in. And it's got the garage and the porch to crush rock. Doing a crush rock job today in Oak Park. Plumbing's all done, and Sparky's putting the power and all that, and the conduits and all that jazz, and we're going to backfill that. And we're going to hit it with the crush rock. Doing the side cut crush rock. Well, the side cut was done, but trim actually. We're doing a little bit of a trim. We need to trim where the our retaining walls. Leave that till after the slab. That should have been done before we got here. But we've got a section here. The house is on the boundary between those 2 H-beams. A few loads have gone out. I've got 2 loads of rock. A little bit of an edge beam there. We've got bored piers here. Mate. Plumbing today. Fantastic day. And that's a sewer there. Well, we found it. Simon's digging away. Did you find it, Simon?
Yeah, mate, you got it here.
It's there, it's right there, but there it is, yes.
Find the door.
Yeah, there it is. That's the main sewer, and then come in the morning for the plumbers, and got the Stormy there. Got the Stormy main run. And the boys are pouring next door. Yep. Hopefully we'll finish early today. We're in Mickleham, hopefully no massive rocks. Doing plumbing today, as you can see. Fucking obvious, isn't it?
Were you recording?
Yeah, well, the grass is removed. We scraped the grass, did a bit of a cut and fill.
So we've done the cut and fill, as Izzy says.
Yeah.
We've marked out the holes.
Yep, as you can see.
And I think we're ready to go to start drilling into these holes.
Yeah, we reckon it's going to be an easy one.
No, it should be all right. Let's hope we don't come across some rock, because if we do, then it's going to be turned into slotted piers, and
yep,
that might take a lot of time. But
Erch is he's a renowned engineer as well.
Yeah, mate. Jack of all trades.
Yeah.
As they say.
Oh yeah. All right. Comment down below if you want to see my setup on the machine. You know, the excavator and all that. You know, the drills.
Yeah,
and
mate.
the
You've
hammer.
already comment down below.
Comment down below, mate. It helps.
That's
It helps.
what we're talking
It apparently
about.
helps the channel. I don't know if it really does or not, but
It does.
reckon it does. Maybe we'll go live soon.
Right.
We're in Greenbelt today, ladies and gentlemen, and we're doing a site scrape, followed by a side cut, followed by board piers. tape on ya? In the truck, right up the left door. There's a blue bag in there. Gonna be a scorcher today. Gonna be a scorcher badge. Are you gonna be cutting at the garage? Yep. Oh yeah, mate. Look, it's gonna be a hot day, hot one. 100%. Doing day 2 on the site cut. That's our step down to 360 down there. It's split level here. We've got 3 levels. A little bit of fill there. We're going to do that later on. We'll get some nice material. That's another 150 for the garage and the workshop there. And this level's pretty much it here. Just got one more bin there. Got to load up. 4's gone already. Got to order another one. After that one, just limited for a bit of space there. Try to get 2 tanders in here to load the soil. Similar location, and I'll come and do a site cut. I'll be loading these bins in, about 4 of those. Don't think it's going to be enough. I've got all the rubbish next door, and going to probably start the cut today. Split level here, there's a pool in the back. That was mainly the reason why we had to scrap the grass so we don't have to, otherwise the pool's going to be done next year, you know what I mean? Because people are getting busy now. So I've got a whole bunch of shit on the other side. And then we're going to put some board piers down here, pier holes. You know what I'm saying? That's the way it goes. Today we're in Greenvale, we're living on the slab, we're just battering it over here because that's going to be a cut to next door, so we're not going to do retaining wall there. Just filling the back section. I need some more material. I've string lined it. That's where I'm going to be trimming that material on the right, clean it all up, and then use that to finally backfill here. Then need to put a couple more retaining wall boards or whatever you call up there at the back, and just to lift it up. Doing the footings, strip footings here, strip and pad footings. We've got a fence going up here. It's going all around the tree. And we're going to do a couple of board piers, probably about 4 or 5 board piers, because there's supposed to be like retaining walls there. Power, we've got Stormy, and we've got the water there. Tap. Almost done. We've started the boxing. shocks been cross shocks here. Obviously, you can see, as you can see. Fantastic, mate. Diff lock, mate, diff lock, cross locks. That's the way cars. Bang. What a day, fantastic day for a crush rock job. We're in alert for E-slabs. And this job had massive rocks. Yeah, so it's got to do a little bit of trimming here and there. Someone else has done the contract to do the crush, site cut. So obviously we need to go and check it up. Looks like they ran out a bit of material to cover all the stormies and all that, but we'll work it out. That's not really our responsibility. That's the plumber's responsibility. It should have done that. Anyway, it is what it is. Doing the retaining wall here. It's connecting to the existing, well not existing, but when that retaining wall there, which I've done a shit job, it's going to connect there. That's a garage slab, 4 pats. That's going to be a retaining wall. That's what I mentioned on the last video a few episodes ago. And this one's going to be like a continuation of that one, which we were going to do after the slab, but we decided to do it as one whole thing all the way to the end of the driveway, sort of towards the footpath crossover. Yeah, that's where we're at the moment, and we've got some loads here, waiting for the bin to come. Started rocking it down, done all the edge beams, garage, everything's done, all the edge beams. Yeah, we're sort of halfway done with the crush rock. Sitting on the crush rock, we had to put the crush rock in the middle so I can get the truck in, get the tandem and put the rock down. It's got another load there. It's got a, I've done all the edge mount, obviously there's a little bit of soil there. That's, yeah, we can rock it down, the portion and all that. And, it's looking sexy, mate. Looking very nice. Banjo's on the rake. Another site cut job. This one's in Donnybrook. I come here to do some board piers at the back, but funny you say that, but I say that. The thing is, after I started the site cut, I saw that concrete. I'm thinking, what's that? It's a new site, and I thought it was rubbish. But obviously, someone's done the board piers, haven't they? And I've covered it up. The plumbers covered it up. I've got some edge beams around the sides. It's boundary to boundary. A tiny box. These ones gives the shits to work, especially the plumbing's already done. But you should set to us. It's a crush rock job, not a site cut. You know, we need to do crush rock, obviously. And we'll organise the truck, so you know, it is what it is. I have to play at the level just a little bit to a little bit of fraction. Yeah, should be good to go. Shouldn't take long. Should knock it off. Another site cut job. This one's in Donnybrook. I come here to do some board piers at the back, but funny you say that, but I say that. The thing is, after I started the site cut, I saw that concrete. I'm thinking, what's that? It's a new site, and I thought it was rubbish. But obviously, someone's done the board piers, haven't they? And I've covered it up. The plumbers covered it up. I've got some edge beams around the sides. It's boundary to boundary. A tiny box. These ones gives the shits to work, especially the plumbing's already done. But you should set to us. It's a crush rock job, not a site cut. You know, we need to do crush rock, obviously. And we'll organise the truck, so you know, it is what it is. I have to play at the level just a little bit to a little bit of fraction. Yeah, should be good to go. Shouldn't take long. Should knock it off. Doing the pier holes in the slab and the footing. strip footing, man. Going down 2.3 into the mudstone to achieve the bearing capacity that's required. Yeah, once we go through the clay, it slows down a little bit till it bites, and we're down again, mate. Down to 2.3. That's it, that's 2.3. We'll give one more for good luck, and then we'll hit it with the cleaner at the end of the day. That's it, that's done, mate. Good to go, cuz. Happy with that, happy with the results. We had to smash that footing, otherwise we wouldn't have penetrated with the drill. Orada delik yok değil mi? Doing strip footings here in Upper Furtree Gully. Got a similar house, garage. We've got board piers in the holes, part of in the trenches. In the strip footings, we've got some pad footings at the back. That's a massive joint. Yeah, nice. Just rains here, it's a problem. It's just it's a sort of scrape it a bit, make sure it's nice and neat, so we don't get bogged here, you know. Sunday today, and we're doing a side scrape. Get it done. Roots here are very thick, they're very deep. It's just running down. There's obviously plenty of water there. So flourish there. Just separate that junk there, the rubbish. bucket jumps and you end up damaging shit. Nice and easy, copper. You don't want to damage anything. We're in Brunswick. We've got dual occupancy here. Got some pier holes here. They're down about 2.3. The first one I'm drilling, it's going down nice. So we should finish it in a matter of hours. See how we go. Hopefully I don't have to use the extension, you know what I mean? Save me a bit of time. Close to 2.3 there. It's got a bit of a slope. It's sloping to the left and to the back. So it's going to be a split level, this one. About 4 different levels here. Or about 6 of it, 8 if you include all the garage and all that al fresco. There's heaps of stuff down here. But come down to crushed rock, it'll be easy to just cut it down to the board piers, you know, after the plumbing. It's just clay, you know, silty clay, stiff clay, just drill it in, no rocks. These are so much soil, I'm going to have trouble putting it. The go Cazos. We're in Brunswick. We've got dual occupancy here. Got some pier holes here. They're down about 2.3. The first one I'm drilling, it's going down nice. So we should finish it in a matter of hours. See how we go. Hopefully I don't have to use the extension, you know what I mean? Save me a bit of time. the 2.3 there. Got a bit of a slope. It's sloping to the left and to the back. So it's going to be a split level, this one. About 4 different levels here. Or about 6 if you, 8 if you include all the garage and all that alfresco. There's heaps of stuff down here. Come down to Cross Rock, it'll be easy to just cut it down to the board piers, you know, after the plumbing. It's just clay, you know, silty clay, stiff clay, just drill it in, no rocks. These are so much soil, I'm going to have trouble putting it. The go Cazos. Doing a side cup, that's a 4 unit. I did the board piers the other day. This is a side cup. I've got 3 trucks running today, and there's a fair bit of cut here actually. About 700-800 cut at the back. Some areas there's nothing. It's putting under a bit of pressure at the moment. Because we've got a lot of rock here, solid rock. They're going to hammer, I don't know, I'll leave the plumber. Well, plumber's not going to be happy, is he? Here's what it is, mate. Then they're going to repurpose an Opens Junction. Rock. It's not that big, but we've got some solid rock there though. That's the float of that one. We'll have to do a few loads of rock too. Very sharply plumber. We'll do the crush rock. Give us a like, give us a thumbs up. Comment down below. Share, subscribe, all that. It's good for the algorithm, that's what I say. Spot there. Fill all those pockets up, mate, otherwise I'm thinking complain. All done. That's a bit that collapsed. They wanted me to put soil behind there. I said, mate, you're going to kill yourself. It's going to collapse again. Wait till so I do the brickwork there after the concrete's been poured for the footing. And a bit of electric trench. Put an electric trench there for them as well, so they run the conduit for the power. And we're done, mate. See you later. Got a site cut tomorrow, mate. Stay tuned for that one. This is the raft slope second day here. We should be finished today, but we've got some problem with the neighbour's fence. Once we secure that, it's just got one trench there. Everything else is done. I've got to clear out the porch. That's all come to the neighbour's drums over there. The potting plants have collapsed. We knew that was going to happen, but it is what it is. And there's a bit of a circle thing there, like a bit of a, it's going to be like a staircase there for upstairs, and that's a step down there for the garage where my bucket is. 4 pads, and yeah, that's it. Should be good to go, eh? Got one last slide, and the rest is history.